I'm Sallieann Harrison and this is a video tutorial around using vinyl in your sewing. Recently got very excited about using clear vinyl, which I never thought would ever happen, but anyway, amazing how you can use it. So I'm going to show you how to use it in two different patterns, two different projects, and see what you think really. It's a voyage of discovery. So the first one is the cherry, I'm calling it a cherry tub because it's got a cherry in the middle. But as you can see, it's got a little window flower applique set in the top. The other sort of fun that I've been having with the clear vinyl is I've made a couple of these little pouches with hearts on. So these are, again, this is just the clear vinyl, and all I've done is I've used something like Heat and Bond or Soft Fuse and ironed on the hearts.